Let's look at an example of a play. We're all familiar with Cinderella. Our characters are Cinderella, Cinderella's stepmother, stepsister 1, stepsister 2, and Prince Charming. We have our acts and our scenes. So Act 1, Scene 1. We have our character tags where the person's name is bolded. We have her lines that she's saying, stepmom's character tag, and the lines that she's saying. Notice here in the parentheses, it tells you what she's doing. This is the stage direction. We do not read this part out loud. The person just simply does it. So she walks into the kitchen. Same here. We would not read this part out loud. This is what she would do. And then we have the entire thing that is called a script. What they are saying is the dialogue. And I believe that is, I think we've covered all of these here. So if we were to look at it color coded, it would look like this. So our setting is in red. The kitchen is the setting for scene 1. And the stepsister's room is the setting for scene 2. Our characters are here in blue. Again, this entire thing is called a script. Dialogue is everything that is said by the characters. Our scenes, acts and scenes. And then our stage direction. We have one here, and one here. So on the next slide, you are going to type in the setting, characters, dialogue, acts, scenes, and stage directions for the Three Little Pigs.